Mentoring occurs when a more experienced, high performing employee called the mentor trains a less experienced employee called the protege. There are several variations of mentoring. In peer mentoring or group mentoring, the mentor is paired with a handful of proteges, say 4 to 6, and the proteges learn from the mentor, they learn from one another. In reverse mentoring relationships, the protege teaches the mentor. Mentoring relationships can develop informally as employees interact naturally in the work environment. Two people who share an interest may spark up a conversation and end up developing an informal mentoring relationship. Some companies create more formal mentoring relationships through structured activities and schedules. Mentoring can help socialize new hires, develop managers and leaders, and provide opportunities for employees at all levels of the organization and from all backgrounds. Let's review some of the specific benefits enjoyed by proteges. Their mentors provide career support by advocating for them, by sponsoring them, by providing stretch assignments, and by exposing them to valuable experiences and to other people in the organization. Mentors also provide psychological support by modeling desirable behaviors, by showing acceptance of the proteges, and by giving them an opportunity to discuss their concerns and ask questions about some of the challenges that they may be facing. Because the mentoring relationship exists over an extended period of time, proteges have the time to develop real skills, real habits, and behavioral patterns that will help them succeed on the job. As a result, proteges tend to be promoted faster, earn higher salaries, and enjoy greater social influence within their organizations than their peers who did not participate in a mentoring relationship. Many mentors get something out of the mentoring relationship as well. It can help them develop their own interpersonal skills, and they may experience an increase in self-esteem and even self-efficacy as a result of helping someone else do their job better. Plus, mentors may learn something from their proteges or from the process of teaching their proteges something. As you can see, mentoring programs provide a number of benefits for the proteges, the mentors, and the organization as a whole.